asanteni sana, because you have delivered a credible election. Before, everybody was saying, oh, IBC this, IBC that, IBC this, IBC that. You have delivered a credible by-election. Everybody is in agreement. And when we go to 2027 and the broad-based team wins the election, tafadhali msirudi sasa kusema tena IBC iko na shida yoyote, kwa sababu tunajipanga kwenda mbele. And for these elections, we want to congratulate the winners of the by-election yesterday. Our brothers, our brother Ngoto who won. Lakini tunataka kusema tumekuwa na by-elections 10 constituencies. 9 out of 10 is broad-based. 1 out of 10 is the clueless people. Kwa hivyo, hiyo si ranking baya. 90% is a pass. Our lives as an ODM party, we were confused about supporting the broad-based government. We are clear in our minds. Because the other day, I heard Gachagua saying that the reason he left President Ruto is because President Ruto started to speak to Raila Amolo Odinga and the ODM party. That is the point at which he left. But because we are so bad, he cannot sit in a place with us. We are now more convicted, more convinced, more ready to go with everything we have to support this broad-based government and support President William Ruto as we move forward into the future. And
there are people who want to lie to us and confuse us and mislead us into imagining that it is our duty and singular responsibility as ODM, and more particularly as a community, to always be the ones keeping governments in check. And at the time we are keeping governments in check, other people are moving ahead in terms of development and in terms of many other things. If you had a name starting with O or A or KO, even if you qualify to be a CEO of a parastatal in this country, that disqualifies you automatically. Our people have suffered, they will tell you, in government. And this is not something that we should shy away from talking about. Every community, every people must safeguard and protect their interest.